Today, I have a home for you. It is simply gorgeous, simply move-in ready, and it is simply the best. And it's on Simkins. Take a look.
Modern Oasis with great floor plan. Discover the perfect blend of style and convenience in this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. The open floor plan seamlessly connects living spaces. The kitchen is a chef's delight with granite countertops, beautiful alder cabinets, and stainless appliances. The owner's suite is a sweet retreat with a deluxe owner's bath with double sinks, soaking tub, and separate shower with a large closet. The covered porch offers outdoor relaxation, conveniently located near shopping and more. Refrigerator, washer, dryer are negotiable.
Be smart. Select this home on Simkins because it will satisfy all your needs. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.